4 square equal to 16. (16 minus 8 equal to 8). (8 divided by 8 is 1). 1 times 4 equal to 4. Very easy, right? But this answer is wrong. Following the order of operation called PEMDAS, P here stands for parentheses, E here stands for exponent, and after the exponent we do the multiplication and division from left to right. After that you solve the addition and then the subtraction from left to right. Looking at this equation, we can see we have the exponent here, we have subtraction, we have division, we have multiplication. So we begin with the exponent. 4 square equal to 16 minus now the next after the exponent is multiplication and division from left to right. So we do the division before we do the multiplication. 8 divided by 8 gives 1. So we have 16 minus 1 times 4. 1 times 4 equal to 4. So we have 16 minus 4. And 16 minus 4 equal to 12. This is the correct answer to this equation.